Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to upload your PDF document in ChatGPT. So let's get started. So the first step is to go to ChatGPT website and log into your account. And over here on the left hand side you can see we don't have a plus membership, but if you have a plus membership you can upload your PDF document, but in free plan you cannot upload the PDF document in your ChatGPT. So we have another solution for this. All you have to do is go to this another website called chatpdf.com. So over here you can see we can upload our PDF in this website, and this website uses ChatGPT API, which means you will be getting responses from ChatGPT. Alright, so over here you can see we can upload our document here. So I'm just going to drop my PDF. There you go. Now it is processing our PDF, and as you can see it is now analyzing our PDF over here. Here you go, our PDF has been analyzed. Now you can just ask the questions. I'm just going to ask for it to list some main points of the PDF. So as you can see, ChatGPT has given us some results. So yeah, you can use this website to upload your PDF and then get results. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.